This beautifully remodeled home, situated on a corner lot, is located in a fantastic Tualatin neighborhood, in close proximity to the popular iBack Park, walking trails, shops, and restaurants. The charming wraparound porch invites friends to sit back and stay a while. The welcoming foyer opens to the cozy family room with a newly tiled gas fireplace for quiet evenings. The gorgeous kitchen features newer granite countertops, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and tons of counter space. The dining room flows into the formal living room, perfect for entertaining. French doors lead to the generous main floor office. On the upper level, the loft area opens to the vaulted owner's suite, complete with a sumptuous new remodeled bathroom with quartz counters, porcelain tile, and modern fixtures, plus a large walk-in closet with organizers. Two additional bedrooms and a full bath complete this upper level. Outside, you'll enjoy a nice-sized level yard with room to garden and a fire pit. A tastefully remodeled home in a great location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.